the beautifully sunny Maldives. Welcome back to my channel, and yes, you have come to Food with Chetna. I am here as a visiting guest chef, and I'm here to cook some special meals for the guests here in Suneva Jani. So obviously I thought I'm going to bring you guys with me, but I am lucky because there are some very talented chefs here, but one of them has agreed to show me how to cook a really nice dish. So I'm heading to the kitchen. Come along and let's see what he's going to show us. It's very beautifully hot. It's been raining for the last few days, so the sun is very welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before I start cooking. Come along! So everyone here has a bike, and this place focuses a lot on the sustainability, which I am very impressed by. There are no plastic bottles everywhere. There are glass bottles for drinks. Everyone has a bike to travel from one place to another. Anyways, I have arrived at the kitchen and let's go inside. So this is one of the kitchens. It's called So Chill because it is very chill, and people can sit here or they can sit inside in the shade. And now I'm gonna go and find my chef in the kitchen.
Hi, very good afternoon. Thank you so much for me to give me this opportunity to cook with Chef Chetna. So my chef Dek Bahadur Groom, I'm from Nepal. So today we're gonna cook laphing. Laphing is a type of cold noodles. This actually is from Tibetan, but quite famous now in Nepal as well. This dish I'm doing second time in Suneva Jani. I have done also with one of the guests. This dish will be good.
So is this on your menu?
This is not in my menu, okay. But previously I was done this one, participate for the competition Suneva Cook-Off for the Suneva Fosi. So I was second runner-up for the dish.
So you've got everything already.
Lemon, lime, some fried garlic, some furikake. Then we're gonna do, this is normally do with we used to do with the noodles, the instant noodles. Okay. But today we're gonna do with healthy plant-based one. Oh. Yeah. So this is mung sprouts, some chickpea sprouts, black bean sauce, homemade chili paste, and ginger infused water. Okay. I do have black vinegar and some soya sauce, all-purpose flour. Okay. So we'll start with the make a flour first. So we're gonna make noodles with this one. I'm gonna start with making dough. Okay. Then after dough, then we will keep it some time till I will make us the sauce for the ingredients. Okay. Then we'll separate the gluten and starch separate with the dough. Then the starch we'll make as noodles. Yeah. The dough, the gluten part we'll use as meat. Okay. Yeah, so it's a vegan meat, vegan meat.
Oh, I see. So plain flour, all-purpose
flour, all-purpose flour,
and water.
Yeah. So seasoning I do have already in other ingredients, so I'm not putting any salt and things. So it will be totally plant-based.
Do you want a nice thick dough?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to keep kneading it? Yeah,
knead, then we'll keep some time rest.
Okay.
Then we'll separate the starch and gluten from it.
Okay.
We'll keep rest for some time. The cold soup, for that I do some soya sauce. Just normal soya sauce. Then I do have infused ginger and garlic water. Water just infused, so overnight. So this is
ginger and garlic.
Ginger, garlic, yeah. Black vinegar. And for tasting, you can put some spring onion. Some this furikake.
What is that?
This is furikake wasabi and sesame roasted one with seaweed. Then some black bean sauce.
Black bean?
Yeah, black bean paste, yeah. Black bean sauce. For the spiciness, we have homemade and some chili paste.
Ah, nice.
Yeah. People used to eat a lot of spicy, this one actually. This is the sauce for the noodles. Again we start kneading the dough. Yeah, this much soft is okay. So now other process, we're gonna wash the dough. Then we'll separate starch and gluten from the dough. I
have no idea how you're gonna do that. I have never done anything like that. So this is very interesting.
So we'll put in dough here and we start again washing the dough. So this is as much water, you can put it more water. So washing, we separate the starch and gluten from the dough. You just wash like this. We will get all the starch and gluten.
Never ever I've seen something like you're washing
the dough.
Yeah, you are washing the dough.
Yeah. So I'm separating, getting the gluten from here, then starch in the water. So the starch we're gonna make noodles. So all the starch we can see in there, all the gluten will stay here.
Okay.
So it's we use it as a vegan meat. So
wow.
Wash is okay. This is all the gluten part.
Yeah.
Then this is the starch where we separate from the flour. So we wanna take out the starch only. Okay. Okay, this one we keep aside. So later we wanna separate the starch, it will stay in bottom, then water will be up.
Oh, I see. Oh.
So then the starch will mix with the turmeric and we make noodles with that. If you keep like 4-5 hours, it's more better, but it's okay, we can do it.
So how will we do it we don't have for 5 hours?
No, it's okay, we will do in 1 hour, so 1.5 hours we can do it.
Okay.
When we make everything, that should be set this one.
Okay.
So this one again I'm gonna wash, so it's running water, I'm gonna wash this one. So till the water clear like tap water, so we keep washing this one, then we will get only gluten there. We got the gluten only here, so we keep in one plate. We drain all the water. Then we keep some time rest, and we gonna just meat.
Wow.
This is only gluten. Yeah.
That texture is so strange.
Yeah. So little bit rest this one, then we're gonna steam this one.
Oh.
Then
of course, because it's raw dough right now.
Yeah. Then we use it as a noodles stuffing this one. Yeah. So the starch is already setting on the butter. You can see the water and starch. Yes. So we want only starch. So we'll drain all the water from the top. Carefully we remove all the water. Then we have starch only here.
Okay.
Same thing. Okay. All the water we drain. We're gonna make noodles with this starch.
Okay.
For the coloring, we use some turmeric. Turmeric. Mix this mixture. So bottom is starch. So this much color is fine. So later after cook, we can see more color.
Okay.
So next is steaming process.
Okay.
We drain water from here. Some water there. We will let a bit dry with tissue. Then it's ready to steam.
Okay.
We put in one ladle of this one.
You're gonna steam this too?
Yeah. So it will be a noodle seat. So you can do in a round flat plate.
Okay.
The steel plate, then you can directly boil and you can paste in there. So it can be also. We're gonna make 4 tray.
And how long are you going to do?
5 minutes.
Okay. Another way to steam it.
Yeah.
In a round plate, just in a regular steamer.
Yeah, it's getting.
Oh.
Yeah. So maybe some more minute. Yeah. Little bit, 1 more minute maybe.
Whoa.
Our noodle tray is ready. Our noodle seat is getting ready. Yeah. This is our noodle seat.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. This is also cooked. Yeah, it's also cooked.
Perfect.
So we'll prepare the stuffing now. This is gluten. So it's separated from the dough. We'll take some glutens. This one is still a little bit hot, but we can. So we'll chop like this. This is stuffing. We're gonna put inside. Actually, this should be very cold, but it still is a bit hot. Then we're gonna make some crunchiness for the stuffing. Some mung beans. then a little bit furikake, and then fried garlic, coriander, spring onion, and then chili oil. For crunchiness, you can use the save or some papadi or some inside as well. Yeah. Some more salt. It's spicy. The noodles wrapping now. So this is our noodles soup made from the starch. Then we're gonna stuff this one. And we're gonna roll it this one.
That's so delicate.
Yeah. Then we will cut in 1 by 2 or 3. Then we put some garnishes. Ready to go. This is the dry noodles, the cold noodles. Then we will make another version, the soup one. Soup base, yeah. Okay, we're going to stuff same stuffing. And some this gluten. That is dry one, this is with the soup. This is cold noodles lapping.
Lapping.
Yeah, lapping, yes, type lapping. So spicy cold noodles lapping. The stuffing, you can choose your favorite stuffing, which maybe might be chicken or any kind of proteins, vegetarian. So the basic noodle seed we made with the vegan base, so you can do your favorite stuffing inside.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Thank you so much. So this is just plain, we just do the black bean sauce. This is just, we cut like noodles, thin sliced noodles.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. This is just thin sliced noodles, toppings, onion.
Let's eat.
Okay.
I'm really interested in all of them.
Yeah, it's a bit spicy.
That's fine. It's not that spicy, but it's not too much.
Yeah.
Those noodles are great. The texture of the noodles is, you would think कि it might get sticky,
Yeah.
but बिल्कुल sticky नहीं है.
Looks like it's spicy, but not spicy.
No, it's not spicy.
It's not sticky, yeah, so.
बिल्कुल स्टिकी नहीं है. मैंने दिखने में कितना स्टिकी लग रहा है, बट एक्चुअली बिल्कुल स्टिकी नहीं है. एंड आई लव दैट येलो कलर उसमें जो हल्दी का आ गया है. ब्यूटीफुल. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस वाज सो न्यू टू मी. मैंने ऐसे कभी इतना सेपरेशन और ये सब कुछ नहीं देखा या किया खुद. सो दिस इज अमेजिंग. थैंक यू. बहुत सही है. मुझे लगता है कि मेरा ये सबसे फेवरेट है क्योंकि इसमें इनफ फ्लेवर है बट क्रंच है. So that was incredible. What I love when I am watching other chefs cook is the creativity everyone brings to the table is insane, and having those noodles, just the whole process was so fantastic. Look at the view, and he's such a lovely chef, and I'm so pleased he gave me a time from his very busy schedule. I have to say, they have been really busy with Christmas coming up. So I'm very grateful for their time. I hope you enjoyed this, whether you make the recipe or not. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you back very soon. Bye for now.